we want our businesses to have technology be at the forefront of their operations so that value stays in the north.
By partnering together, we can penetrate the Canadian landscape beyond just the urban centers. Like, we can show that you can take this to remote centers.
So we've tried to work really hard to understand the deep domain of the operators we work with. And that's something that people often find surprising about working with amii, is we're more excited to learn about what your domain is than to come in and really be like AI everywhere all the time. It's around what are those deep kind of connections in your own work that we can find the best pathway for that AI layer if it's the right shape at the right time.
They really liked the approach, and amii tailoring the workshop to meet their needs, actually looking at their business processes and identifying the best use case for AI and where that value is really being driven.
Honestly, the workshop was excellent. It exceeded my expectations. I think knowing that there's a more accurate solution available through machine learning solutions, that'll alleviate the strain on my team and my staff so that they can focus on other aspects of the businesses. Like, that to me was the biggest eye-opener, I guess, or the biggest win.
Our favorite part is those aha moments that business owners have that aren't necessarily around a specific AI output, but it's around, if I implement this approach to AI, there could be different opportunities for my business in the future.
When we started this, we just wanted to book travel. We didn't plan to get into the technology side of things. We were just gonna, book, send trips out, call people, whatever, right? Like, it's become this whole different trajectory, and we're really excited for what, the next projects hold for us.